Hello, my friend. Today we are going to explore one of the most important skills in life, memory. Many people say, I always forget things. But the truth is, memory is not something you are born with or without. It is a skill, and you can train it. So let's begin and learn how to remember almost everything you study, hear, or experience. Why do we forget? The human brain is powerful, but it forgets easily. Why saying? Because the brain doesn't keep it everything. It only keeps what it thinks is important. In English, there is a saying, use it or lose it. If you don't use knowledge, your brain throws it away. That's why practice is not optional. It is necessary. Pay attention to remember. You must focus. When you pay attention, your brain marks the information as valuable. For example, when you meet someone new and they say, Hi, my name is Sarah. Repeat, Nice to meet you, Sarah. This small action sends a strong signal to your memory. Visualization. Our brain is a movie screen. It loves pictures more than words. If you want to remember, create images in your mind. Example, to remember the word apple, imagine a giant shiny apple falling from the sky and landing on your head. Strange? Yes, but strange is memorable. Connection. Memory is about building bridges. Every new idea must connect to something old. For example, if you learn the word ocean, connect it with your own memory of swimming, the sound of waves, or a movie you once watched. When knowledge touches emotion, it stays forever. Repetition. Repetition is the golden rule of memory. Without repetition, even the most powerful brain forgets. Here is a simple timeline. Review after one day, review after 1 week, review after 1 month. This system, called spaced repetition, locks information deep in your long-term memory. Teach to learn. When you teach something, you learn it twice. Explaining to a friend or even teaching yourself out loud forces your brain to organize knowledge. So if you want to remember, become the teacher. Healthy habits for strong memory. Your brain is part of your body. If the body is weak, memory suffers. Sleep. During sleep, the brain organizes memories like a librarian arranging books. Healthy food. Nuts, blueberries, and fish feed the brain. Exercise. Movement sends more oxygen to your brain, making it sharper. Emotional connection. We forget normal days, but we remember emotional ones. Your first love, your happiest birthday, a painful mistake, they all stay with you. Why? Because emotion is glue for memory. So add emotion to learning. Make it funny, surprising, even strange. The stronger the emotion, the stronger the memory. Storytelling. Turn information into stories. For example, if you want to remember milk, bread, keys, phone, don't just repeat the list. Imagine, I poured milk on the bread, used my keys to cut it, and then my phone rang because the bread was alive. Sounds crazy, but crazy stories are unforgettable. English plus memory training. Now let's combine memory and English practice. Here is a simple daily exercise. 1. Choose 5 new English words. 2. Create a funny picture or story for each word. 3. Review after 1 day, 1 week, 1 month. This way you improve your English and your memory at the same time. Let me give you some extra strategies. Mind maps. Draw ideas in a web shape, not a list. This helps your brain see connections. Chunking. Divide big information into small groups. For example, instead of remembering 394857, split it. 39-48-57. Association with places. This is called the memory palace technique. Imagine walking through your house and placing each piece of information in a different room. Later, walk through the house in your mind and the information comes back. Memory is not magic. It is training. If you practice every day, you will surprise yourself. You will remember names, faces, books, and even new languages. Thank you for joining me today. Practice these techniques, repeat them, and you will see results. And remember, knowledge is power, but memory is the bridge to use that power.